Have you ever wondered what goes into creating the money you hold every day? The euro isn't just a piece of paper, it's a masterpiece of innovation, security, and design that represents the unity of an entire continent. From its secret cotton fiber blend, to the invisible holograms that protect it from counterfeiters, the journey of a euro note is nothing short of extraordinary. Stick around to discover the secrets behind Europe's most secure and advanced currency. You'll never look at money the same way again.
The euro, used by over 340 million people in 20 European countries, is far more than just a means of payment. It's a marvel of technology, artistry, and durability. The process of creating a euro banknote is a carefully orchestrated combination of precision and innovation, ensuring that every note is secure, durable, and a true work of art. Unlike ordinary paper, euros are printed on a special cotton fiber material that feels distinct, lasts far longer, and resists wear and tear from daily use. This paper is embedded with microscopic colored fibers that are visible only under magnification, along with watermarks and security threads that make counterfeiting nearly impossible. The distinct texture of euros ensures they are instantly recognizable by touch alone, setting them apart as one of the world's most advanced currencies.
Every euro note starts with a meticulous design process, where artists and engravers craft intricate details that represent Europe's rich cultural heritage. Each note features symbolic bridges, windows, and gateways, signifying unity and openness among nations. These designs are engraved onto metal plates by hand with incredible precision, incorporating microscopic details that serve as an additional layer of security. For example, the lines and images on the notes are so fine that they are virtually impossible to replicate using standard printing techniques.
Once the designs are perfected, the printing process begins, and this is where the magic happens. Using the intaglio printing technique, ink is applied to the engraved plates, and extreme pressure transfers the intricate designs onto the cotton paper. This process gives the notes their characteristic raised texture, allowing features like the denomination numbers and key elements to be felt by touch. Euros are printed in multiple layers, with each color and detail applied separately. First comes the black ink, followed by green and other colors, and finally, the holographic and UV-sensitive security features that make euros among the hardest currencies to counterfeit.
The security features of euro banknotes are truly remarkable. Each note is packed with advanced technologies designed to outsmart even the most skilled counterfeiters. Microprinting, which includes text so small it can only be seen with a magnifying glass, is added to the borders and portraits. Holographic patches on larger denominations create shifting colors and images when viewed from different angles. Security threads embedded within the paper glow under UV light, with different colors indicating the note's value. For instance, 5 euro notes glow green, while 50 euro notes shine orange. The 100 and 200 euro notes include even more advanced features, such as transparent windows and color-changing numbers that add another layer of protection.
Once the notes are printed, each one is assigned a unique serial number that acts like an ID card, identifying the country of origin and ensuring that no two notes are ever the same. This serial number also helps central banks track the movement of notes across Europe and beyond. The journey of a euro note doesn't end with its printing. Before entering circulation, every single note undergoes rigorous quality control. High-tech scanners check for alignment, color accuracy, and even the slightest imperfections. Any defective notes are immediately shredded to ensure only flawless euros make it to the public. After passing these checks, the notes are cut into precise dimensions, bundled into packs, and sent to central banks across Europe for distribution.
But even the toughest euros have a limited lifespan. Smaller denominations like 5 and 10 euros, which are frequently used, typically last 3 to 5 years before becoming too worn for circulation. Larger denominations like 100 or 200 euros, which are handled less often, can last much longer. When a note becomes too worn or damaged, it is collected by central banks and removed from circulation. The process of retiring and recycling euro notes is another fascinating chapter in their story. Worn-out notes are shredded and repurposed into eco-friendly materials. For instance, shredded euros can be compressed into briquettes for energy production, replacing coal or wood in certain regions. In some cases, the cotton fiber material is recycled into new products such as insulation or even compost, highlighting Europe's commitment to sustainability. Beyond its technical brilliance, the euro represents the spirit of Europe: unity, culture, and progress. Each design element reflects the shared history and vision of the continent. From the iconic landmarks depicted on the notes to the cutting-edge technology embedded within them, the euro stands as a symbol of trust and collaboration. The journey of creating a euro note, from its design to its eventual circulation, is a testament to the incredible effort and innovation required to maintain one of the world's most secure and reliable currencies. So the next time you hold a euro note, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship, technology, and dedication that went into making it. It's not just money, it's a piece of art and a symbol of Europe's enduring legacy.